Hi guys, I've got more requests to show where I get my stuff from. I make my stuff that I sell. Today we're going to be focusing on the buttons, the pinback buttons specifically. So this right here is my button maker. There's a couple of different sides to it. It's a manual button maker. There is the shallow side for your fronts, and then there's a deeper side for where the pinbacks go. That's the part that actually has the pins that connect to you. And this right here is the manual lever where you do the punching. So what you want to do is you want to create your artwork and get it all cut out to size. The size depends on the size buttons that you're doing. I use Cricut to cut everything up for me. It's a little easier rather than doing the scissors, the manual punches and everything. So for the buttons, you have your flat sides, which is the front. And then you have the pinbacks here. There's two sides of those. You have your artwork, and then you also have thin little mylar film which covers the front of the button, which makes it look all nice and shiny and protect your artwork from getting scratched. So to make one, you start on the shallow side, you put your pin fronts on. There is no up or down on these. For your artwork, there is an up, there is a down, or top and bottom, however you want to use it. When you put your artwork in, you want it facing you to where you're looking at it the right way. Above your artwork, you put in your mylar film, spin it around underneath the press, pull your handle. On the deeper side, you now have your pinbacks. There is an inside and outside. The part that you see that you manually clip to you is the outside. The part with the bent stuff is on the inside. So when you load this, you want to be looking at the inside. And you also see that the pin is not centered. It's closer to one side than the other. So you want that short side to be away from you. So that is the top. So you want to be looking at the inside, and the top should be farthest away from you. So it's right side up. When you spin this around, you'll notice that the part you had in here is now up inside of this press. It's not stuck in there. It's just waiting to be attached to the other part. Pull your press down. Now if you're doing production, I load up the next one before I spin anything around. And again, you want your artwork to be facing you correctly, centered. Put your mylar film right over top of it. When you spin this back around, here's your finished button. I don't do anything until after I pull the handle, so I know it's been done. That way I don't double press anything. Now I can take my button, set it off to the side. I've got another deep well sitting here. Load up my deep well. Again, you want the inside of the pin facing up, the side, the top away from you. I know I've already done everything because I've already done the handle. Spin it around, punch, come back around. There's my second button. And that's how I make my buttons. Have a great one, guys. See you around.